Hey guys, I just wanted to show you some wildflowers, some prairie flowers here. I have, it's kind of overcast, so hopefully these are coming through okay. I have some pink, some white, some different kind of white, and then some blue and purple up here. So I'll just give you guys some close-ups of all the different flowers I have and let me know what you guys think. This is going to be the pink one here. What the leaves look like. Very pretty. Here is the white of the same kind. Thought these were mushrooms popping up, but some pretty flowers. They only bloom for, it looks like, a day or two though. Some more right here. There. And let's go over to the other white and blue flowers. Right here. Bunch of them. Kind of look like trumpets. The white flowers look like. Then I'll show you these blue and purple flowers again. See if I can find the pretty ones. There's a bunch around here. There's also a bunch more